how to fix PrizePicks deposit not working. If you want to fix if the PrizePicks deposit isn't working, what you can do is, first of all, we go to the help section of depositing funds on PrizePicks. Here is how it shows us what are the eligible cards. So you can actually add funds to your account using Visa, credit or debit cards, Discover credit or debit cards, MasterCard for eligible states, instant bank transfer, PayPal, Venmo or Apple Pay. So if your payment method does not lie upon any of these, then that is when your deposit is going to fail. The other time your deposit might fail is when you make a mistake when inputting your card or account information. So you want to double check everything before you submit it. And if you are located in an ineligible state, and you can find a list of ineligible states over here, maybe the deposit method you try to use is not currently accepted, for example Chime, American Express or prepaid gift cards. So you must have also met your limit for how many times you can deposit in a specific time frame, so you can wait a full 24 hours before attempting another deposit. Maybe the name on your deposit method also does not match the name on your account, so you must make sure that is not the case as well. Or if that payment method is already associated with another account. So PrizePicks will not accept any deposits in which the card is connected to another PrizePicks account. Or maybe you're trying to deposit too much or too little. And if your reason falls any under of these categories, then that's when your deposit is going to fail. So you must make sure to follow all of the guidelines, and then you can try to redeposit your money to PrizePicks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.